Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, so we have here again the i7 Pro Max. Still, we're going to explore the different menus and functions of this wearable. So this time, we're going to check on its Bluetooth functionality, particularly the camera and the music feature. So we have here, we already connected our i7 Pro Max to the Watch Pro Support App. Again, it is using the Watch Pro app. Okay, so we already installed it in our Android platform. So if you want to check, for example, we are connected here. So if you want to activate the camera, okay, just tap on, just open the app, okay, the Watch Pro app, and activate the remote shutter here. And as you can see, it's already activated, and your smartwatch also, okay, switch to the camera mode. Okay, so just tap on the start, okay, and automatically it will activate the shutter of your smartphone. Okay, as you can see here, it captures the image. Again, okay, so there's a self timer here. How many seconds? We have at least 3 seconds for the self timer. Okay, so that's the feature for the Bluetooth camera. Okay, you can use your smartwatch as a remote shutter for the camera of your smartphone. Okay, so another feature here is the find or anti-lost. Okay, what else? So we are already done with the watch faces. Okay, so let's go to the music function. Okay, again, you need to activate the music function of your smartwatch. Okay, and of course, if you want to listen to the music, just open the music function here or the music player. Okay, let's try. So we have here, okay, I'm going to choose a specific music here, as some of the music here in our storage is copyrighted. Okay, I'm going to use this one, the band sound. It's a free YouTube music, okay, for your YouTube video. Okay, check out the links below if you want to download. So let's check. For example, we do have here the band sound, ukulele, the jazz, Frenchy, and Creative Minds. I tried to connect it with the support app, and to my surprise, it is not playing the music or the speaker. It is not using the speaker on our smartphone. Instead, it is using the speaker here in the smartwatch. Okay, I don't know if there are other ways on this, but let's see. Okay, I will explore more on this i7 Pro Max, especially on the music function. Okay, so we have here the music player. We turn the volume on, okay, in its full capacity or full sound here, and as you can see here, the speaker is here. Okay, so it plays the sound on the smartwatch, but not here on the smartphone. Okay, it's a very good feature, I think, but I don't know if you can switch it. Okay, like you want this one to play that sound instead of the smartwatch. Okay, I'm not really sure about that. We'll see. Okay, we can stop it. Okay, proceed to the next music. You can see you can play on the different music. Okay, so a very good feature here. Okay, so if you want to listen to the music on your phone directly right on your smartwatch, okay, use this function. I think the issue here, missing function here on the player, okay, is the name of the music on the wearable. Okay, let's see again. See, works. Okay, so far that's it for the music control and the remote photo control of the wearable. Okay, so a pretty good function here. So easy to control, easy to connect. Okay, and hopefully they will update this one and we'll see the music that you are playing here. Okay, there should be somewhat like a banner, okay, or a streaming name of the music that you are playing on your wearable. Okay, I don't know if it works, this one, the voice control mode. Okay, let's see. Okay, so seems like it works. Again, I don't know if it, let's see. Okay, seems like the voice function is working. So you have to set up first your voice command for Google. Okay, but so far seems like it's working. Okay, we activated this one and as you can see here, it works. So let's get started. So as you can see, so the music control, the remote photo control, and seems like the voice assistant is also working here. Okay, so this one, the i7 Pro Max do have a built-in music, so you can play or you can listen to the music, a built-in mic I mean, and a speaker. So it works with a voice command as well as the music player here. Okay, you can listen to music directly on your wearable. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, okay, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.